Hello everyone, let's look at the steps to enable or disable the new Copilot mode for Microsoft Edge, which is a new experimental feature that Microsoft is slowly rolling out to integrate even more AI into the browser. Now, first, to enable Copilot mode, you have to make sure that you have the latest version or version 138 or higher for Microsoft Edge. And to do that, just go really quick to the settings page and then go to the About page. And from here, the system is going to check and download the latest version available. If the update downloads on your computer, just make sure to click the restart button. Right now, I'm using the beta version. However, this feature is also available for the current stable version of the browser. So I just switched really quick to another computer that has the latest stable version of the browser. As you can see, version 138. And now, in order to enable Copilot mode, you just need to go to this page and then just turn on this toggle switch. Once you do that, then when you open a new tab, you're going to get a new interface. And that's basically the same experience that you get on the Copilot app. And then instead of having the Copilot button on the top right, you're going to see it right here. That's actually inside of the address bar. And at any point, you can click on that button and that will open an overlay where you can start interacting with the chatbot. Now, if you want to have the chatbot on the sidebar on the right, you can just click the pin button and you will have the same experience as before. Now, if for some reason the feature doesn't turn on, reload the page and try it a few times. It has happened to me, and after like 3 or 4 times that I clicked and I got an error, then it turned on in the browser. Now, once you do that, another way that you can turn on the feature is by using the flags page, by using this link. Now, the initial setting should be default, but if for some reason the new mode is not appearing on your browser, select enable, and also you have to make sure that you turn on this option. This is to enable Copilot inside of the new tab page, and then just click the restart button. Since I already have it turned on my computer, I'm just going to set the default option. And now let me show you that if we go to the settings page for Microsoft Edge, now we're going to find a new AI innovations page. And from here, that's where you can enable and disable the feature. So if you don't like the feature after it's available to you, you can turn it on and turn it off from here. So you can see the button is now one more time in the top right. And when we open a new tab, we're just going to see a regular tab page. Now, if you want to further disable, what you have to do is just to use the flag page to turn off the 2 settings that we enabled previously. So let me show you really quick. But if we go to the Edge Copilot mode flag, we set this to disable, and we also have to set to disabled the Unified Composer NTP setting. And then if we click the restart button, we get the traditional new tab page, and you're going to see the AI innovations page is no longer available. If you want to reset the settings, just open the Edge flags page and click the reset all button.